Voted best community in America, Saluda River Club is the hottest place in the Midlands, and we're going to show all that it has to offer right here in this video. Hey, I'm Michelle. I'm with Exp Realty. I'm a real estate agent and one half of Nichols Home Team. We operate in the Midlands, South Carolina area. That's Columbia. That's also Lexington, and Saluda River Club is in Lexington, and we're going to talk all about why this place was voted the best place in America. It's got tons of awards for best communities. It's got tons of awards just here in the Columbia, just picked by people who live in this area as the best place to live. So we're going to talk about all of the amenities. The previous video to here was actually a video tour of a current home on the market. It's still on the market as of today, and there are other ones that are available that are similar to this, as well as there's a next phase of building as well. So if you want to check out our previous video, we've got a video tour of the inside and outside of one of these houses that you can live in. We also went and got footage of the amenities in the area, and during this tour we just saw so much that we realized it was going to be way too much for one video, and we decided to split it into two. So this place has 85 acres of green space. It is nestled along 1 mile of the Saluda River, giving you private access to this area from within your community. You can put your boat out there. You can even rent kayaks from the clubhouse right within the community. If you don't own any of that yourself, you have the ability to fish, whether it's off of your boat, whether it's off a dock. You're also still just 10 miles away from downtown Columbia and everything that has to offer. You're close by to I-77 and different intersections and interstates, which makes travel outside of the area very easy. And then on top of that, you also are close to tons of other amenities in the Lexington area, restaurants, retail, places to shop, things like that. But you have a ton to do right here within Saluda River Club, and we're going to get into all of the amenities that has to offer. So the first thing that we have is the Chickawa Outdoor Center. So this contains one of 2 pools, and this one is the family-friendly center and pool. This one has it's basically a riverfront clubhouse, so it's right against the Saluda River. It's got a screened-in porch and offers activities throughout the year right inside. And in season, there's actually licensed outdoorsmen and trained outfitters that will help you rent kayaks and set up excursions and things like that, just like you would if you were on vacation at a nice resort or on a cruise ship or something. They have that during season to set that all up for you. So this center is right along the Saluda River, so you can actually see it. You can walk outside, enjoy the outdoor fire pits. You can sit on the screened-in porch. There's activities within the center throughout the year. There's an observational deck where you can sit and watch the Saluda River. There's also quite a few picnic tables and things like that surrounding the area, so you can really be in nature. Also within walking distance of this, you've got walking trails throughout all 3 districts, but right outside of this outdoor center, you've got an outdoor gym, a jungle gym, a little fun area for kids, and then you've got kind of an outdoor gym for adults with lots of signs that give you different fitness challenges and things. It's actually a lot of fun. You also have a fully fenced in little dog park as well. You've got a sand volleyball and some outdoor things like there's bocce ball, outdoor volleyball in a big sand pit, so it's sort of like beach volleyball, and horseshoes as well. So the second of the 2 clubhouses and the area with the second pool in the club is called the Village Clubhouse. So this one differs from the other one because this one is a 21 and older adults only clubhouse, including the pool. So there's a lounge on the inside with a bar and everything. They of course have their own kind of adult activities throughout the year as well. Right across the street from that, within walking distance, is what's called the Village Green. Now, no town is complete without a Village Green, where they have activities all through the year and plenty of spaces to sit, little gazebos, little benches and places like that. And then they also have an outdoor amphitheater with seating. So this is something that they the HOA in the area will come up with different activities, including outdoor movie nights, and they'll bring in bands for you to just come out and enjoy the festivities. And within the clubhouse itself, along with the lounge and of course the pool outside, is also an adult-only fitness center. This fitness center has everything you'll need. You can stop your gym membership and just take advantage of what you have here. They also have fitness instructors that come from outside of the area and will actually teach classes there as well. If you're wanting to get to know your neighbors, one of the best things you can do is go out to their community garden. So that is a whole plot of different raised beds where the community gets together, gardens, and shares with each other. You can even learn a new skill. And if you're really confused and you don't know kind of who to meet or what to do in the area, be sure to check out their events and calendar section. They have different groups, book clubs, activities put on by the HOA, as well as individual clubs that meet. So you will get to know your neighbors. You'll get to always have something fun to do right in your very backyard, right in your neighborhood. So if resort living sounds right for you, definitely give us a call or send us a text, and we'd love to introduce you to the area, leverage our relationship with this community, and find a great place for you. There are current places like the house right before here that are currently listed, as well as some new phases if you want to get on the ground floor and make some of those choices about what you would like in the home yourself. So if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below. Tell us what your favorite thing that you saw in this video, and please let us know if there's any communities that you would love us to take a tour of. We love to explore the area for you. And all right, well, until the next video, bye-bye for now.